All right, so that system, we're going to feel the impact of it here, but it's going to present a little bit differently.
Yes, Sean's here to fill us.
Yeah, and thankfully, right now it doesn't look like it's going to be a severe weather maker for us, but we are going to have rain on parts of Election Day, and we're going to have wind from start to finish. So the weather impacts, we want folks to know about this for tomorrow. If you have early voting plans, you will be less impacted on what's left of this line of severe weather. Now again, by the time it gets here, it weakens, but it will still provide us with wind and a line of rain and possibly some rumbles of thunder. So we're concerned though for our neighbors out in Oklahoma, there in Arkansas, severe weather likely. Here's tomorrow morning. We will have some spotty showers around. I'm not saying you're going to wake up tomorrow morning and it's going to be completely dry. It's just our focus is going to be on this line. And it approaches the Illinois-Indiana border around 3 or 4 p.m. So if you're doing some midday voting and very early afternoon, especially in the eastern half of the state, you really don't have a whole lot to worry about here. But the later you wait in the western half of the state, you'll be impacted by this. Now, whether or not there's still going to be a lot of long lines as we get closer to the closing of the polls tomorrow at 6 p.m., that's to be determined. But if we do have some long lines here, this will be moving through, so please be aware of that. You can see on the eastern part of the state, it's going to take probably till about 8 or 9 p.m. to reach you. We'll still have some additional rain as well. All of us, however, will be in the same windy setup here, 35 to over 40 miles per hour on wind gust for tomorrow. In addition to the rain that we had today, we're going to tack on another 3/4 to locally another inch of rain with that line for tomorrow. So let's break down Election Day for you. These are wind gusts, and you can see from start to finish 35 to near 40 mile per hour gust. That main batch of rain for Indianapolis roughly looks like more of a 5 to 7 p.m. arrival time here. And we've kind of accounted for that with the rain odds that will ramp up in the afternoon. This may go down as one of the warmest election days. We're forecasting 76 for Indianapolis. You got to go back to 2003 when we hit 78. So it is certainly going to be a top tier warm day for us. Make sure you have our free app on your phone. You can follow that line of rain. Angela will have another update coming up at 11 o'clock tonight, and then Chuck and Lindsay will have you covered tomorrow morning on Sunrise with the latest here. Behind that line of rain, we cool off, but we're cooling off closer to the 60s. That's still way above average for this time of year here. And again, we'll be approaching some record warmth for tomorrow. Here's your 7-day forecast now. 76, windy, warm, that rain becoming likely after 3 o'clock, but still some showers around early in the day, and then we're clearing out. Got some sunshine on tap right now, and a dry start to the weekend, but rain returning, it looks like, for Sunday.